Want to learn to work 100% from home and get paid just for testing other people's websites? Check this website out, super cool. Anybody can do this from anywhere in the world. You're not going to become Elon Musk rich, but it's still going to help you to generate some pretty significant side income. Check this out. Head over to digivante.com. On the right side, click on Become a Tester and just fill out all your details here to get started, and anyone from anywhere in the world can get started on this. And here's how this works. Create a Digivante tester account, add what kind of hardware and software you use. You're going to receive test projects alerts by email. Use your skills to find issues and defects in the actual websites that you test. Issues are reviewed for accuracy. Then you get paid weekly via PayPal or Payoneer. Pretty cool. And here are the 3 ways that you get to earn on Digivante. The first is you get paid for every valid issue that you identify. The second is getting paid for following steps in a test case and letting them know if it passes or not. And the third way is getting paid for reproducing and evidencing issues that other testers have actually raised themselves. Pretty simple stuff. So that's pretty cool, right? So anyone can learn how to create side income and become a tester testing websites from the comfort of their home. But the thing is that it still requires you to trade time for money. That's not your thing and you want to learn how to make 10 times more income by creating 10 times more leverage, go ahead and follow me on my channel to see exactly how I generate 5 figures every single month. I would love to show you how to do that step by step. Click on the link in my bio and go through my free training. See you soon.